Learning Technologies is the show where all of our industry lives. It's vibrant. You can see from all the stands here that it's a thriving industry. So we're super excited to support it again this year.
This is kind of the center, if you will, of all of the activity in Europe.
We exhibit because we are one of the leaders within the learning technology space, and we recognise that this is where the greatest are all lined up together.
This is our 6th year exhibiting at the show as Thrive, and for us, it's the best show of the year. We've had many a success with acquiring customers from LearnTech in the past.
So we come to London year after year. We've been coming for many years, and this is just a powerful event. We have a huge client base here.
We love being here because we meet with all our partners, with our customers, and we meet new faces as well. Everyone is here that we are in regular touch with, that we do business with. We want to be here and we need to be here.
It is a great melting pot to have all of L&D together in one place.
There's people that are genuinely interested in talking about learning, and that's where we want to be. This is the place to be.